production tracking module. That's one of the latest module of Factovare. This is the most requested uh, module. To We have got to the training sections, demos. We got all these feedback to deploy this production tracking system. As you can see, will give you a eagle eye view of your production flow. Eagle eye means it will the one at one side we will get lot of information. You don't need to go here and there. You can pinpoint where is a particular serial number. So this is the factory modules, as everyone knows factory modules, and here are the modules. Here we'll be talking about production tracking. Expand this production tracking, there are two components here. We will discuss about the production tracking system. This is the page where your operators enter the production data. Here the concept is the FG part number will be having different FG part or your final product will be having different sub-assemblies, and each FG and each sub-assemblies will be having different serial numbers. So this serial number the production operator will be entering while when they complete that operation. Like I will show an example. This is the when you click on it, production tracking comes here, and the route selection. The operator will select which product he is uh, doing the operation. For example, 258,796. I will select. This is the FG part number. This is not serial number. This is part number. The operator will select this. Then we will get the all part numbers below this FG part number. Then he will select which subassembly he is entering. He will select the same one. Suppose the final we are doing the final part. Select 2578. If we are doing any sub-assemblies, we will select any of these sub-assemblies. Like you can see, when I select any sub-assemblies, it will come here. So operations, list of operations will come here. Select the operation which the operator is doing here. Here I will select like assembling cap. The first operation of this FG part number is assembling cap. I am the operator. Now I will enter the serial number. We will get every part number, every FG, every susceptibility need to be identified as a different part serial number. This serial number need to be either tagged in the final product or to be either written on the part number, like laser etching or something like that. You can write the serial numbers in each and every uh, product. This will be useful for production tracking, quality tracking, all those things. Okay, now we will enter the serial number, which is what is in the product. I will add 58976. Any VD number 895. Second. Okay. 58 any serial number I enter what is written on the FG product. Now comes the serial number of sub assemblies we need to map. Here nothing serial number is mapped to nothing serial number is completed against this sub assembly, so it's not coming here, otherwise it will come. Yeah, here it is come. You can enter all those this you can map. Since this is just completed, there is no serial number is completed under these sub assemblies. That's what it's not listing here, but here we have listed. Once we select all serial numbers, because while FG part number, FG doing this operator doing FG operations, he will be having this part number sub assemblies in hand physically, so he can know the serial number of this product and he can select the serial number, and then when we select, this save button will be enabled and he can put save. Okay, that's enough. Then another operator, when you go into the next operation, another operator will select this right second operation, then he will do the same thing. That's all needed. Once you click on save, all data required for the great production insights is over. So we will see the production insights here. After that, one more thing is that we can select any of the serial number here. For example, okay, this is one of the serial number, and you can see the status, production status here. This is the one of the serial number I had done earlier. Finished goods, whatever is completed will come here. You can this operation is completed, this operation is completed will come. Here also you can see all operations, including sub-assemblies, all will be listed here. All everything is completed. I think nice. Try one other serial number. Okay, not found. Okay, that's all also not. Okay. So when you type any serial number, you can see track the know the list of operations related to that, and you can know whatever is completed. Now coming to the production insights here. Yes, here you can select the date from two trades. You can select one, two trades. You can select the trend hourly or hourly. Select hourly right now. You can change the time, my local time from 4 factor base time. I will select local time and apply. Now you can see some insights here. Completed FG serials, completed FG part numbers. During this time frame, in your shop floor, how many FG is completed? In my case, it's three. How many unique serials completed? If we have done eight serials, eight serial number including sub assemblies also. Completed total completed serial numbers three, VIP five. Now comes the most important thing, average lead time. Average lead time means what is the time required for your final product, for production lead time for completing the operations. And I select one thing, right? 258796, you can tell 144 minutes. As per our data, as by my data, what I have entered here, this product 258796 took 144 minutes in our shop floor from the first operation to the last operation. That's its meaning. When we select nothing, all select all, it will take average of all products. All products. It will take all products. Now coming to the chart, this will shows the hourly output. Hourly output. This is the 14, 17, 18. This is the hour. Right? You can see. Hour, 14th hour. That means 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. That's the 14th hour. In 14th hour, we have produced 5 quantity. 17th hour, we have produced 11 quantity. When you select the filter, it will change. You can select the FG partner. You can see it's changing. Okay. Now comes the operation cycle, and this will automatically fetch the actual cycle time of all operations from this data. We are entering this here, right? So you can see now the cycle time here. The cleaning operation of bottle assembly cell is taking 373 seconds. In the all the things in this way, you can know the actual cycle time of each and every operation what we have entered in the product details section here. Here, here we have entered in the most important data for your factory and software product details. That's what I'm telling about. The most important data from all this. That from this is the all things we are taking. Coming back to insights, you'll get the operation cycle time. Now comes another summary, FG-wise production quantity. During this time frame, 25879 is produced 16 quantity. FG005 we have completed 6, 2 like that we will get. Line-wise production quantity. Bottle assembly cell produced 6 quantity. Label printing line produced 4 quantity. Operation-wise production quantity. Inspection 3, assembly cap 2 you will get. Production lead time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a 1 FG serial number, and this FG production lead time is 144 minute. FG01 is 0.22 minute. VIP paging means whatever subassembly or FG waiting in the production line without completing without completing the all operations come under here. For example, 2356494 already started, but next pending operation is bending and forming, and it's waiting for 223 minutes before this operation. The same way, before this operation, hardware and machining, this product is waiting 205 minutes before. You can analyze and go for what is the reason. These are too high. These are too high. Then serial traceability, this overall summary of uh, FG serial number, part number, assembly like that. Who is done by will be having who have done this operation. You will get this data from here. So that's about production tracking module of Factovare. If you want to implement this in your factory, let us know. We can quickly initiate a demo, and also you can go for a 1 month free trial complete the all features of this factor, like capacity analysis. In capacity analysis, you can get to know the resource, how many machines, how many resources, jigs and fixtures, etc. required for a production plant, how much manpower required, how is the space required. Second one, the capacity and costing module. You will know able to know the what is the cost of this FG, cost of the sub assembly, cost of this operation. Cost includes manpower cost, resource cost, and space cost. So capacity module, then capacity analysis. In capacity analysis, you will also get the capacity output. What is the bottleneck? Like output per hour, output per shift. What is the bottleneck? These all things you can. So complete all features 1 month completely free. You can try without no cost. Another thing is production tracking. We have explained. Then we have what video time study. We have time video time study module. We have time study module here. We have time study module here. Yes, time study module. That work instructions. Another most requested module. It's also live here. Right? Work instruction. Everything you can try without no cost. Without no cost. Let us know. We can, and the implementation time will be very less. So Factovare, this is a cloud-based software for manufacturing industry. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you once again.